guys, it's me, Tammy. I have a little something I want to share about myself. I am a Friends fan, like a really big Friends fan. I watch the shows all the time, and I have some goodies from Makeup Revolution. They came out with a Friends collection. Yes. And as of the time of this video, I checked the website and they have all of these things still in stock. So if you want them, you got to jump on. So they have some eyeshadow palettes, they have some lipsticks, they have some face masks. I'm just going to show you what I got. When my purchase was made, I think they only had the girls out. They didn't have the guys. Okay, so this is what I got. This is the Phoebe palette. It has the taxi on it, of course. And it comes with a mirror, but I'm going to try my best to cover that. These are the colors. Some of the names are awesome. They have Smelly Cat, of course, Lobster, Triplet, Flaky, Buffet, Science Boy, and Ditzy. The next one is the Monica palette. Also comes with a mirror. This is what the colors look like. Some of the names are Clean, Chef, Geller Cup, Twins, Chicken, Frizzy, Bing, Thanksgiving. Like, the names are just so freaking cute. And then last is this Rachel palette. Well, last of the little palettes. These are what the colors look like. And some of the names are Shopping, On a Break, Dinosaur, 90s, Barney's, Chip. So super cute. I also have two of these face masks, and it is the Phoebe face mask, which is vitamin C, and it is the Rachel face mask, which is a hydrating hyaluronic. And then my favorite is the Lobster Palette. This thing is huge. Huge. It is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I'll input a little like demo over here of how I accomplished the look. Comes with a huge mirror also, and these are all of the colors. These are so cute. The colors are stunning, super stunning. Some of the names are Race Car Bed, Stevie the TV, Vegas, Spray Tan, New York, Sightseeing, Legendary, Transponster. And the colors are just super pigmented. That is Ski Trip. That is Bagpipes. This is Could I Be. This is Legendary. So, and let me give you one more. Stevie the TV. Super pigmented. I'm super impressed. You can find all of these on the Makeup Revolution site. I don't know if they're in stores. I haven't seen them in stores. But I do have some good news for you guys. So I have an extra Rachel palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it away. Obviously, you just have to hop over to my Instagram, follow me, and leave me a comment letting me know which character you relate to the most. So like which one is the most like you. So yeah, the giveaway will be going on, let's say, for like a week. Just have to be over 18 and live in the US, and leave me a comment and make sure to follow my IG. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.